In this video, I will be showing you how to sign out of Outlook in your computer. So let's get started with the video. Signing out of Outlook in your computer, you can do it through your Windows application and not the Outlook application. First, click both the Window key and the I key on the keyboard. This pop-up window will appear. Here, click and enter Accounts section. And on the left, click Email and Accounts tab. Next, on the right side of the screen, when you scroll down, you will see all the accounts signed into or added in Outlook. Click the email account, and next click the Remove button. And again, you need to click the Yes button in the pop-up window, which will remove all your Outlook account data and sign you out. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.